Good day, please introduce yourself.
My name is Jeneline Doris. I live in Bulacan, Talisay. I am 36 years old. I have one children with 10-year-old. I have four brothers and four sisters. My educational attainment, high school graduate. I have a vocational course for housekeeping and city.
Okay. Do you have any brother or sister?
Yes, I have
How many?
four.
Okay.
Four brothers and four sisters.
How would you describe yourself?
I am hardworking, honesty, loyal, and be patient.
Why do you want to apply abroad?
Because I want to help my family and to provide my children's needs.
Do you have work experience abroad?
I don't have work experience for abroad, but I have experience here in Philippines as a housemaid. My duties, responsibilities like to clean the house, to cook, to take care of the baby.
Okay. Are you willing to take care of small children and newborn baby or elderly person abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
How would you take care of naughty children and children with temper tantrums?
I will be attentive and be patient to the children and will talk to them in a calm, compassionate manner.
How about if the newborn baby is crying at night? What will you do?
I will check maybe the baby is hungry. I will check her with milk. If the diaper is dirty or full, I will change. If the baby is sick, I will inform immediately for the employer.
What will you do if you become homesick?
I will try my best, my work to get busy.
And what else?
And I will always remind I work as for my future also.
Do you promise to finish your 2 years contract?
Yes, I am.
Do you promise that you will extend and willing to renew your contract if the employer needs you to stay longer?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of pets, even big dogs?
No.
How do you describe your cooking skills?
I will cook pasta, paksiw, and fried chicken.
Are you willing to learn how to cook your employer's dishes as well?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any food allergy?
No.
Do you eat everything?
Yes.
Can you sing? Can you sing for me a nursery song?
The wheels on the bus and round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus and round all day.
Okay. Do you have the full consent of your family to go and work abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise to be honest and loyal to your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you drink alcohol?
No.
How about smoking?
No, I don't smoke.
Do you have any body tattoo?
No.
Do you have the physical energy to keep up with the children?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any history or surgery or serious sickness in the past?
No.
Are you willing to share room with the children or elderly persons?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to wake up very early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to work during day off and employer will pay you overtime?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your final message to your future employer?
Dear mom, sir, I hope you will hire me as a helper. I try my good service to you and I will treat you as my family and I will treat your children too as my children also. God bless. Hope to see you.